I hope you had a wonderful Monday. Our southern counties saw a few scattered showers and thunder showers from the afternoon hours into the evening. Those are now exiting through the Sisseton area. Quite a bit of lightning with these. Nothing has been severe. The rest of us have remained dry. And this activity you see here may be our last chance of significant rain for at least 6 days. Again, Roberts County all the way down through Watertown seeing the thunderstorm activity. A lot of thunder and lightning mainly just to the south of Sisseton. Moving off to the south and east, it will be very close to Browns Valley. Taking a look here in Fargo-Moorhead, it's 66 degrees. We have a 58-degree dew point temperature, so not too muggy yet. And conditions very comfortable out there, a very light east-southeast breeze. We have 60s across eastern North Dakota, near 70 still in the Devil's Lake Basin. And look at the mid-50s from Lake of the Woods down through southern Beltrami County. This thing's quite cool in north-central Minnesota for the beginning of our work week. Your hour-by-hour forecast shows any thunder shower chances as I set this into motion quickly move to the south and east and really dissipate as we go through the next couple of hours. Temperatures as we go through the overnight, well, we'll slip down into the low 50s in northern Minnesota where things are cool, but closer to 60 degrees for many of us here in the Red River Valley and points west. That's how we start out our Tuesday, and by midday we'll already match our high temperature for today, which was 78, by the way. And look at this, heating up pretty nicely out in the western Dakotas, and by the afternoon, they'll be near 90 in both Bismarck, Minot, and Williston. Here in the valley, a lot of mid-80s to lower 80s, and it'll be a little more comfortable out to the east. And speaking of out to the east, Lakes Country will have the best chance at a spotty thunder shower or two as the best chance shifts off to the east. And it looks very dry and quiet into the evening. So tomorrow, not too many tricks in the weather bag as we take a look. 58 degrees to start your day, ramping through the 70s through the midday hour and into the 80s for the evening hours, and then quiet throughout. As we take a look at your hometown forecast, the best shot at that 80-degree weather or better will be from the Red River out to the west, and we'll see near 80 degrees in Detroit Lakes and Bemidji for tomorrow. A little warmer for you folks. Now, speaking of the heat, as we take a look at the air mass battlecast, all the cold air bottled way up into Canada, we see the heat really building where you see these pink colors here. That's temperatures in the 90s, but when you see the whites on the map, that's typical down in the desert southwest. Look what heads our way by the time we get to late week. We're talking sizzling hot temperatures. Record highs for Fargo are in the mid-90s to low 100s as we go through the time period. And it looks like that heat core builds right over us as we go through the weekend. So it's a very hot stretch of weather heading our way. Hopefully you'll have some water to dip your toes in, like this cool shot of the sun setting on Lake Sakakawea from, or as seen from, Hazen Bay. Here's a look at your forecast Wednesday. The heat begins 91 degrees, maybe a little bit of a break on Thursday as we'll be in the mid and upper 80s. But Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, near record-setting temperatures. Few areas may indeed get to triple digits as we go through the weekend. Next week, we'll bring our next chance of spotty showers and thunderstorms at best. So a dry stretch of weather here may brown things up a little bit.
All right. Thanks, Sach.
Yes.